Welcome to Foodies Group, your trusted partner in food industry machinery. We specialize in delivering state-of-the-art equipment that powers the food industry, from production to packaging. Our innovative machines are designed to enhance efficiency, quality, and safety, helping your business stay ahead of the competition. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for food technology, we provide tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of your operations. Instant noodles, a beloved comfort food enjoyed by millions around the world. From quick lunches to late-night snacks, these little packs of joy have become a staple in kitchens everywhere. But have you ever wondered how they're made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of an instant noodle making factory to see how these noodles go from raw ingredients to the delicious meal you enjoy in just a few minutes. The process starts with the most basic of ingredients, flour. Wheat flour is the primary component of most instant noodles, chosen for its elasticity and ability to create that perfect noodle texture. The flour is stored in massive silos, keeping it dry and fresh until it's ready to be used. At the mixing station, flour is blended with water, salt, and sometimes an alkaline agent called kansui. Kansui is what gives the noodles their signature yellow color and firm texture. This dough mixture is thoroughly kneaded to develop the gluten, giving the noodles their signature chewiness. Once the dough is ready, it's passed through a series of rollers, flattening it into thin sheets. These rollers are precisely calibrated to achieve the right thickness, ensuring consistency in every batch. The sheets of dough then move along the conveyor belt, ready for the next step cutting. Here, the dough sheets are cut into fine strands by sharp blades, creating the familiar noodle shape. Depending on the product, the noodles can be cut thick or thin, curly or straight. This is also where manufacturers can add a unique twist to their noodles, literally. Next, the noodles are steamed. This quick cooking step ensures that the noodles are partially cooked, locking in the flavor and texture before the final drying process. Steaming is a critical stage as it prepares the noodles for their next big transformation, frying or air drying. Most instant noodles are deep fried, a step that not only cooks them further but also removes moisture, giving them a long shelf life. The frying process also creates those tiny pockets and ridges that help the noodles cook quickly when hot water is added later. For those who prefer a healthier option, some noodles are air-dried instead, using hot air rather than oil to achieve a similar texture. While the noodles are being prepared, the factory is also busy creating those little seasoning packets that add all the flavor. The seasoning blend is a precise mix of spices, flavor enhancers, dehydrated vegetables, and oils. Each recipe is carefully crafted to deliver the perfect taste experience, whether it's chicken, beef, seafood, or spicy flavors. Now, it's time for everything to come together. The noodles and seasoning packets are packed into cups, pouches, or blocks, depending on the product. High-speed machines work tirelessly, ensuring each package is sealed tight to keep the noodles fresh and protected from moisture. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of instant noodles, you'll know the incredible process behind every slurp. From the mixing of flour to the final pack, it's a story of innovation and passion that brings a little bit of joy to our everyday lives. Welcome to the world of carbonated soft drink manufacturing, where precision engineering and state-of-the-art technology come together to create the refreshing drinks we all enjoy. In this tour, we'll take you step by step through the production process, starting with how the bottles are made. It all begins in the PET blowing section, where plastic preforms are transformed into the bottles that will eventually hold the soft drinks. These preforms, which look like small test tubes, are heated and blown into molds using high-pressure air, expanding them into the familiar bottle shapes. This process is not only fast but also highly efficient, allowing the factory to produce thousands of bottles per hour. Next, the freshly blown bottles move to the washing stations. Here, they are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to ensure they are free from any dust, particles, or contaminants. The bottles are washed using a combination of high-pressure water jets and special cleaning solutions, followed by a final rinse with purifying water. This step is crucial for maintaining the high standards of hygiene required in beverage production. Now, let's look at where the magic happens, the mixing tanks. In this section, Purifying water is combined with various ingredients such as sweeteners, flavorings, and concentrates, creating the base of the soft drink. The soft drink is ready to be bottled. The bottles move on to high-speed filling machines, which accurately fill each one with a carbonated beverage. This process is incredibly fast, filling thousands of bottles per hour while maintaining the perfect level of carbonation. Next, it's time for branding. The bottles move to the labeling station, where labels are precisely applied to each bottle. Once labeled, the bottles move on to the packaging area. Here, the drinks are grouped into packs, shrink-wrapped, or placed into cartons. Welcome to our state-of-the-art Namkeen making factory, where we combine traditional recipes with modern technology to bring you the finest snacks. The process begins with washing. High-quality raw materials like chickpea flour, peanuts, and lentils are thoroughly washed in our automated washing units. The ingredients move to the dough-making section. Here, flour, spices, and other ingredients are precisely measured and mixed using large industrial mixers, ensuring the perfect texture for shaping and frying. Next is the shaping and frying stage. The dough is carefully shaped into various forms like save, bhujia, or rings using custom molds and extruders. After frying, it's time to add the flavor. The freshly fried namkeen enters the seasoning section, where they are evenly coated with a blend of traditional spices and seasonings. Our seasoning drums ensure that every piece is perfectly flavored, delivering a burst of taste in every bite. Finally, the seasoned namkeen is transported to the packaging line. Here, our automated machines weigh and pack the namkeen into airtight packets, preserving their crunchiness and flavor. Each pack is sealed, labeled, and checked for quality to ensure that it meets our high standards. Our namkeen is now ready to be shipped and enjoyed by customers everywhere.